if a youth want bust, what if a youth want turn dancehall artist? But they don't know say you have to have certain things to become a dancehall artist. I'm gonna tell you 10 things right now what you need to become a dancehall artist. Right down there, I know. I'll find the formula. Number 1 panelist. Before you even get a name, you need an entourage. You don't want 7 like Snow White. You don't want 12 like Jesus. You don't want 300 like Leonidas. You want about 10,000 niggas rolling. But you want them for no reason at all. Just for the expenses. Because you're going to make enough money as a dancehall artist. You're going to need people to spend it on. You're going to need people to get in a trouble. You're going to need people to do like some silly shit. So you have to pay. It's like how they do have them in a Snow White. They have them name. So you have to go make sure you name them to you. Name them based on what they do. So the one who clean the shoes, you call him shoes brush. Shoes brush. Forward. The one who you send go buy food, you call him foodie. The one who you box down all the while, beating stick. Cause that's why you're gonna need them around here. Some man you're gonna need to send them go pick up your suit. You're gonna need some to deliver money to your baby mother. You're gonna want a brethren where you send go buy the weed. One where you send go buy the cigarette. One where you out the cigarette pan. The one where you out the cigarette pan, you call him ashtray. And then you go on one for box down at the same time. So after you have your entourage now, you don't know say time to name yourself. Now all I could name them God. Cliff Twang, Potential Kid, Tanto Blacks. I mean I know you don't name yourself still. Probably have to go biblical. You want to name all yourself right now. So me I say, call yourself, yo, Moses, the girl them roses. If me if you become a dancehall artist, I call myself Zugo. And with the image now, you want to make sure you say every day you look clean. Even if you have to go down an arcade, go trust some clothes. You want some people, like the same people them wear style Tanto Black. You want to get them people there, pan your teeth. Now after you get that, you want to onomatopoeia. Most of them don't know what onomatopoeia. You see all of them sound they kill and make onomatopoeia. Kaboom, kabla. So as a dancehall artist, you need a sound for yourself. Now like how my name Zugo, see, my onomatopoeia would have been Achoo! Zugo! Achoo! 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 Nobody not thief that, you know. No ramp with me, no. Zugo! Achoo! Next up, you want a catchphrase. Or you want something for rhyme with your name. Because when you introduce yourself, make sure you say, you have your name, you have something to rhyme with your name, and you have your onomatopoeia. Because my name Zugo, would I say something like, yo, you don't know, she has Zugo, the girl, them Bugu. Achoo! Number 5, you want a hand sign for identify your entourage. Most I good one them gone. Vibes Cartel have this, I don't have this. So if I'm like you, I use that one. Achoo! 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 Number 6, now time for you start write song. Lyrics, you don't need that. Who you be man Cartel, you don't need no lyrics. Who you be I don't ya, you don't need no lyrics. You don't need that. Typical dancehall song about 2 minutes long and then you loop that. All you need to do, make sure say chorus, take up 1 minute out of 2 minutes. Now the next 1 minute or maybe minute and a half, you just rhyme sitting with sitting. Say some ambiguous shit like floor ground, sky ceiling, you see me? Say shit like that. Number 7, where your song them are gonna be about. Make sure say you sing about girl. You have to tell the girl them how to wine. And sit down and broke off sitting. You have to talk about ghetto youths. Don't left out the ghetto youths them as you can't go back certain place. You better say ghetto youths. You have to sing a song for mama. Most dancehall artists don't really care about them daddy. Make sure say you have a dance song. Not dance slow, me a dance fast. I already dropped for me dance song, you know, so make sure you have a bad man song. Tell how much shot you clap and how you know play with nigga and you bust off 2 and ankle and left round a mother house. All that then sitting there. Make sure you say something wicked, gruesome. Even though you're not bad man, none talk. Bad mind. You have to have a song about bad mind and you have to have a song about the system and Babylon. Make sure you say in your song name you detail how homophobic you are and how you bunch up. Remember, you know. Number 8, you make sure you say you contradict yourself. Cause you have some of them dancehall artists here, I sing about how they bun this and bun that. Yet still, them a eat out of pot. Get it? Get it? 1 week them a tell you if you wrong girl, jam girl. The next week they end up on a campaign that talk about how you must have safe sex. You see me? So as a dancehall artist, you have to contradict yourself. Number 9, make sure you say you're in a beef with somebody. Make sure you say you have somebody out there where you just not like. If you want to become a dancehall artist, you have to be in a beef with somebody. Beef is good. You need somebody to clash a sting. You need somebody to kick off a stage. You need somebody where two on the can and I see him play. Good for business. But them say no publicity is bad publicity. So make sure you say as a dancehall artist you're in a beef. Number 10, the final thing, hold it for controversy. As a dancehall artist, you're in every kind of mix up. One bag of mix up like raga show. That's what you think for them. And if you have to, do like me. Drop a sex tier. Look on the top entertainer there. Be a controversy surrounding it. Back to the publicity thing again. Always relevant. Yo, this is Kevin Too Crazy and that was my 10 things you need to become a dancehall artist. Take them if you wish and take them if you don't. I don't give up. You see me? Think you believe it and live to achieve it, dog. Just like this video and share this video with the dancehall nigga them. You know hard for doing it? A super attack. And the dancehall artist feel like them are gonna feel a way about what me say. I know that. Push a foot forward. Run over that with a skater. Or you're dead pan. You're not bad man, you know. Hey boy, me tell you with Joe what you feel like. When I'm afraid of a dancehall artist. On to them. We there in our street. In my room. Achoo!
Lydia. Yes, man.